In the quiet of the morning, Jesus steps into the light. He stands before his people, hands upraised, arms open wide. And in that moment, I see the face of love, the embodiment of compassion. His eyes, they hold no judgment, only mercy. His voice, it echoes with kindness. And he teaches us that the path to heaven is paved with love, is built on forgiveness and understanding. It's a path that starts in the heart and extends its branches to every soul. He reminds us that the road to heaven is not a solitary one. We are not meant to walk it alone. No, we are called to walk it together, hand in hand, embracing the struggles and celebrating the joys along the way. He calls out to the hurting, to the lost, to the brokenhearted, promising solace and healing. His words, they flow like water into parched souls, quenching the thirst for love and belonging. The world may throw its trials at us, tempting us to stray from the path, but God's light, it shines brighter than any darkness. With every act of love, with every moment of forgiveness, we are walking towards the light, moving closer to the warmth of his embrace. For in loving one another, we are obeying his word. In forgiving those who trespass against us, we are reflecting his boundless mercy. In showing kindness to strangers, we are mirroring his compassion. And when we walk the path of love, we are already in heaven. Or rather, we are walking towards heaven. For the promise of eternal life is not a distant hope. It's a present reality. It begins with every act of love today, with every kind word spoken, every helping hand, every moment of forgiveness. Let us follow the way of Christ, the path illuminated by his love. Let us walk it together, knowing that his peace will be our guide and his presence our strength. And as we walk, let us remember, heaven is not a place we will one day reach. Heaven is a journey we begin this very moment. It's a journey of love, of forgiveness, of kindness, a journey that leads us to eternal life.